Organizations are always looking for opportunities to optimize their processes and streamline operations. In pursuit of these goals, embracing DevOps enables a higher degree of automation by allowing tighter connections between traditional development and operations teams. A DevOps-focused organization relies on infrastructure as code for their data center and cloud-hosted services, with clearly defined processes for service deployment, management, and teardown. At the development level, DevOps enables the creation of clearly defined development, build, and testing pipelines to achieve reproducible results at each step of the development process. But DevOps is not a single product, solution, or service. It's a mindset that has to pervade the whole organization, and sometimes it can be difficult to visualize the best way to integrate existing tools, or even new ones. Take, for example, TuxCare Enterprise, TuxCare's live patching solution that enables organizations to automate the deployment of Linux vulnerability patches without needing to reboot or experience downtime during the patching process. TuxCare Enterprise has easy-to-use integrations with tools often associated with DevOps, like Ansible, Tenable, and Chef, as well as a reliable API to enable integration with whatever workflow or third-party automation process an organization chooses for its DevOps approach. Rather than forcing the usage of a tool, TuxCare Enterprise integrates neatly into whatever your organization is already using. And this makes the adoption process much easier for all parties involved, including developers, sysadmins, and managers. With TuxCare Enterprise, you can increase the security of your entire IT infrastructure by integrating the solution's deployment directly into your existing system and system deployment methods. This integration extends throughout the entire lifecycle of a system or service and is easy to provision, manage, and remove, adding a real-time security layer to any new systems or services. Adopting a DevOps mindset will enable you to benefit from increased productivity, and you can always rest assured with automated vulnerability patching provided by TuxCare's reliable security solutions. To make your journey to fully embracing a DevOps mindset easier, consider adopting a live patching approach with TuxCare's TuxCare Enterprise.